Imagine getting flagship-level features, powerful AI, insane battery life, and a stunning display, all packed into a mid-range smartphone that might completely change the game in 2026. Yes, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, and trust me, what Samsung is planning this time could surprise a lot of people, especially if you think mid-range phones can't feel premium anymore. Right from the start, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to come with a sleek and modern design, possibly featuring a refined glass back with a premium matte finish and slimmer bezels, making it look almost like a flagship device in your hand. And when you turn on the display, you'll likely see a gorgeous 6.6 to 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate that delivers ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and brightness levels that perform beautifully even under direct sunlight, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Now here's where things get even more interesting: the performance. Samsung is expected to power this device with an upgraded Exynos or Snapdragon chipset depending on the region, paired with improved AI capabilities that can optimize your apps, enhance gaming performance, and even improve camera processing in real time, meaning everything from multitasking to heavy gaming should feel faster and smoother than ever before. Speaking of AI, Samsung is likely to bring some smart AI features into the A57 5G, such as intelligent battery optimization, real-time photo enhancements, and possibly AI-driven voice and productivity tools that make your phone feel smarter the more you use it. When it comes to the camera setup, rumors suggest a triple camera system with a high-resolution primary sensor, likely around 50 MP, along with an ultra-wide and a macro or depth sensor. And thanks to improved AI processing, you can expect sharper photos, better night shots, and enhanced portrait modes that compete with higher-end devices, while the front camera could also see an upgrade, making your selfies and video calls look crisp and detailed. Now, let's talk about battery life, because this is where many users care the most. The Galaxy A57 5G is expected to feature a massive battery, possibly around 5,000 mAh or even more, combined with efficient chip performance and AI optimization, meaning you could easily get through a full day or even more on a single charge. And with fast charging support, topping up your phone won't take forever. On the software side, the device will most likely run on Samsung's latest One UI based on Android, bringing smooth animations, customization options, and long-term software support, which is something Samsung has been doing really well recently. Now here comes the part that builds real suspense: the price and launch. Samsung usually launches its A-series devices in the early part of the year, so we can expect the Galaxy A57 5G to arrive around early 2026. And if Samsung keeps the pricing competitive like its previous models, this phone could become one of the best value-for-money smartphones in the market, possibly dominating the mid-range segment. But here's the twist that many people are not expecting. If Samsung actually brings flagship-level AI features into this phone at a mid-range price, the Galaxy A57 5G might not just compete with other A-series devices. It could even challenge some flagship phones in everyday performance and user experience, and that's something you definitely don't want to miss. So the real question is, are mid-range phones finally becoming the new flagship killers? Let me know what you think, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.